So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a green screen effect in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iMovie app. So once you've done that, you can see here one of the projects and you can start a new project underneath. So let's open up one of the projects. You can see my movie and then you can click on the edit. Now the important thing is right here that you record your subject or object or anything that you want to highlight in front of a green or a blue screen. Once you've done that, so if this is recorded, these pigeons are standing in front of a green screen, I can just go ahead and add on here, click on video. And once I choose a video from here, I can go to the three dots and you can see here the options cutaway, picture in picture, split screen, green/blue screen, and audio only. So let's click on green/blue. And you will have it on here. So you can see it found some resemblance of blue at the background, but if it's strictly blue or strictly green, you can add that and then it's going to be added as a sort of background to your subject or object in the video. So that's how you can add the green screen effect in iMovie. Just make sure that it's in front of a green or a blue screen, since it's going to be easier for iMovie to identify what to add as a background video. So it's going to be over your initial video in the project. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.